ground report. Now, the Congress party will hold a rally at Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan on the 14th of December to protest against the SIR exercise and also the alleged vote theft and irregularities in the SIR process. The Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi and several other senior party leaders will be in attendance. The party will also send 50 million signed papers to the president as part of the ongoing signature campaign on the issue. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Niyamika, clearly, the Congress party is doubling down on its vote chori charge and a massive protest is also going to be organized in the national capital. What are the details?
Well, yes, indeed. Just a few days back, there was a high-level meeting which has taken place at Indira Bhavan, where the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, as well as the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, was also being present, in which this was being decided that the Congress party is going to hold a mega rally in the national capital. And yesterday, there are several other who had also arrived in the national capital, which are from the neighboring states of the national capital, and in that particular meeting it has been decided that the Congress party is going to hold this mega rally on December 14th against the SIR, as we have seen that after the Bihar Assembly elections also the Congress party had blamed SIR as well as vote chori upon the Election Commission of India for its debacle in that particular state, and for that reason now the Congress party has also signed 5 crore signatures from all across the country, as this signature campaign was being started by the Congress party in the month of October, and for that reason now all the states have collected these signatures from various districts, and these signatures will also be submitted to the president. And the rally which is being organized by the Congress party, that is going to be held at Ram Leela Maidan, where we have also got to know from our sources that the other opposition parties are also going to be invited in that particular rally, because the Congress and the other opposition has been continuously raising questions upon the Election Commission of India, raising the issue of vote chori in other states as well.
Okay, all right. So clearly the Congress party is only escalating it further. Rahul Gandhi is going to be leading the charge. Top leaders of the Congress party are also going to be in attendance.